Let's look at two of the most trickiest questions in chemistry today. The mineral barytal calcite contains both BaCO3 and CaCO3. Both compounds decompose on heating. Using your knowledge on the reactivity of metals, predict which compound decomposes first when barytal calcite is heated. For reactivity of metals, we know that more reactive metals actually form more stable carbonates. So, if we look at the periodic table, both barium and calcium are in group 2. However, barium is actually lower than calcium, which means that it is more reactive than calcium. So it will form a more stable carbonate than calcium carbonate, and that means it will decompose last. Question 2. A disproportionation reaction is a reaction where an element is both reduced and oxidized at the same time. You need to explain why the above reaction is a disproportionation reaction. Number 1. K is a group 1 metal, and group 1 metals always have a +1 oxidation state. The oxidation state of oxygen is always -2, except in oxygen fluoride or hydrogen peroxide. So that leaves us with chlorine that we have to find in this reaction. So for the first compound, KClO3, we can reverse crisscross the ions in the compound to give us K plus ion and ClO3 with a charge of -1. The oxidation state of Cl and 3O will therefore add up to -1. And if you work it out, the oxidation state of Cl is actually +5. In KClO4, let's do the same thing. Reverse crisscross the ions, you'll get K plus and ClO4 with a charge of -1. And if we work it out, the oxidation state of Cl is actually +7 in KClO4. So the oxidation state of Cl is just -1 in KCl. And if you look at the whole equation overall, the oxidation state of Cl actually increased from +5 to +7 from KClO3 to KClO4. This means it has been oxidized. From KClO3 to KCl, it actually is reduced because the oxidation state decreased from +5 to -1. Therefore, this reaction is a disproportionation reaction. Did you understand these concepts? Let me know in the comments below.